Atlanta Sounds.
Kyudo is the oldest martial art from Japan. You have a series of movements that you go through before the shooting and after, and it's the accumulation of all of the proper technique that ends up with you being aligned properly to hit the target. My name is Ed Sims, and I've been doing Kyudo for 25 years. Kyudo is the Japanese martial art of archery. The standard distance for shooting Kyudo is at a 14-inch diameter target that's 28 meters away. In the process of shooting, the archer glides across the floor. Then we do the placing of the feet, ashibumi. The proper arrow to shoot is selected. The bow is raised and drawn. And at the release, you'll hear the sarune, or the sound of the string. Today we're going to shoot the kaburaya. This is called the whistling arrow. And they're made in different sizes so that when they're shot, they would make different pitches. One of the traditional uses of the kaburaya was to signal the beginning of a battle. The most beautiful thing about Kyudo is when the technical form melds with the mental concentration and allows the spirit of the archer to be shown.